Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare my favorite egusi soup at home. So here are the ingredients which I'll be using for my egusi soup. On this table is a display of meat, egusi, vegetable, my onion, my pepper, salt. So here is goat meat and skin hide, which is kpomo, which I'll be using for this soup. Here I have my egusi, crayfish, okpeyi, and also all grinded together. So here I have my pepper, I have my onion, I have my nut cube, my vegetable ugu. I still have my stockfish and extra crayfish which I'll be adding to this soup. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the cooking. Here I'll be using this nut cube to spice up my meats. So here I have my meat all washed. And I'll be seasoning the meat with nut cubes, salt and onion. So after adding all together, I'll be placing it on a cooker to get the meat tender. So here is my meat after cooked for some time. I'll be adding my stockfish to it to cook for extra minutes. So here is my meat after cooking for some minutes, and all the meat are perfectly cooked. So at this point I'll be bringing the meat down in order to fry my egusi. So in another pot I'll be adding oil just to heat it up a bit, after which I'll be adding my onion and give it a little stir fry. Next here I have my egusi in a bowl, which I'll be mixing up with a cup of water to form a paste. After getting the mixture I needed, I'll be adding the egusi into the pot and start frying for some time. So my reason for adding water to mix my egusi is to prevent the egusi from burning so hard. And mixing egusi with water before frying makes it look better than frying it without water. And mind you, if you are frying your egusi dry, it will burn and give your soup a taste you won't like. So here I'll be adding my onion and give it a little stir for a while. So after stirring for a while, the next I'll be adding my egusi and continue frying. Always pay attention to your egusi while frying cause it burns easily at this point. If I must say, this is the easiest way of preparing your egusi soup at home, and the taste is so lovely. You cannot get it wrong this way. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you find this method helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so whenever I make a new video like this, you'll be among the first to see my video. So as you can see, my egusi is turning up nicely. So don't forget, you have to keep stirring to avoid the egusi from burning so hard. So my lovelies, if you have not been making your egusi this way, please, I urge you to try this method. Try this method. So after frying for some time, this is how my egusi turns out. So this is how yours should look after frying. So as I'm done with the frying, I will go ahead and add it up into my big pot where I have my cooked meat to continue the cooking. So after that, I'm going to cover it up to let it cook for a while. So here is my egusi soup after cooking for a while. Here I'll be adding my crayfish and my pepper into the soup and let it cook for extra 5 minutes. So now my egusi is well cooked, and the next step is to add my vegetable. But mind you, at this point you don't want to overcook your vegetable. So here I'll be turning off the heat in order to retain the freshness of the vegetable. That means I'm not adding the vegetable while the soup is on high heat. So I have my cooker turned off before adding the vegetables in order not to overcook them. That is my best way of cooking with vegetable because I like them fresh and not overcooked. So my egusi soup is ready. Please, if you are still watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell so whenever I make a new video like this, you'll be among the first to see my video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video coming up.